Hello, I'm Mike Russell, and here is your latest audio creator news, including a story you won't want to miss at the end about AI taking our livelihoods. Yeah, it's pretty scary. But first, let's get started with Riverside. Riverside.fm. I've been a fan of them for recording podcasts for ages. If you need remote guests, it's a great way to do it. Well, they've introduced transcription of your audio in up to 100 plus languages, which is absolutely insane. Not only can you transcribe what you record, but you can also search later on and look through that transcription. So if something was said that's really important and you want to clip it out, you can do so. It's kind of going a bit Descript style in that sense. So there's a text-based editor in there, and you can also automatically multi-track sync to ensure all your tracks stay aligned. That is so important when recording remote guests. I cannot stress it enough. Talking about Descript, they've put a mysterious holding page on their website asking for your email address and saying GPT-4 style features coming soon to Descript's editor. Now, this is really exciting. I know very little at this stage, at the moment that I'm making this video, about exactly what's involved, but I do know that ChatGPT, and particularly the GPT-4 model, which is super intelligent artificial intelligence, is looking really good. So if it's going to assist us as content creators to make stuff that sounds even better, I'm all for it. And that nicely transitions to a little type of my favorite prompt into ChatGPT. You can try this with the free version, or if you've got Plus, why not select ChatGPT 4 and ask it to produce you scripts for radio jingles. I did this with some success, asking it to make a set of 3 different radio station jingles for a station called Power FM, a classic rock station in Manchester. And do you know what? While some of it was cheesy, a lot of it was very usable. So if you're looking to make some audio for your radio station, your DJ set, your podcast, or even an ad for your business, then ChatGPT is definitely the way to go. I had a great success with looking at those prompts. In other news, Andreas Rapp has been appointed the new CEO of Beyerdynamic, a company close to my heart. Now, Andreas Rapp is actually from Heilbronn, Germany, which is where the HQ of Beyerdynamic is based. I had the great privilege to tour Beyerdynamic, and you can look somewhere on your screen right now and click and watch the video of my factory tour. It's an absolutely insane, cool factory. I love it. I learned a lot about their products, and some of the things it says that Andreas is going to be doing in the press release is going to look towards future technologies, advanced internationalization, which I already think Beyerdynamic's extremely international as a company, see their headphones everywhere, and increased brand awareness, as well as making it a more agile company. So that is great news. At the big NAB show in Vegas as well last month, there were plenty of audio announcements. One of the biggest, probably Rode. Now, it's no secret I use a lot of their gear. The Rodecaster Pro 2 got a nice firmware update, and if you only just got your hand, look at that, on a little baggie of Rode microphones. I love the Wireless Go 2. Well, they released a firmware update for that, but they also released a brand new Wireless Me. I can't keep up with their wireless microphones, but the good news is if you've got the Wireless Me or the Wireless Go 2 microphone, it now works with your Rodecaster Pro 2, as that got a firmware update, and that's one of the headline features. You can use wireless mics, so the Rodecaster is creating so many inputs, I don't know what to do with them. Like, I can wire microphones, I can do Bluetooth, I can do wireless microphones now, I can do USB, I can do feedback, I can do, oh my goodness, it's just endless. Amongst some of their other announcements at the show, there's a Streamer X for streamers on YouTube. It's a great idea. The Rodecaster Duo, which is a tiny teensy Rodecaster style thing. The Pod Mic USB as well. Love the Pod Mic, so that sounds great that it's going USB. A nice little backpack as well to carry all your Rode gear around in, and a charging case for the Wireless Go 2. So lots of really cool announcements coming out from Rode at NAB. And to finish up, this is a little bit scary. An article that was featured in the Washington Post. Their voices are their livelihood, now AI could take it away. It's no secret that there have been so many different companies racing to make the best quality artificial intelligent voice so that it sounds human. You know, unlike text-to-speech where
it's very robotic and we all know it's a robot.
Now it's actually churning into something that is, well, it's scaring me. It probably should scare you. Something with emotion, something with passion, something with, dare I say it, soul. So this article talks a little bit about a voiceover artist who was searching around and found what sounded like an uncannily mimicked version of their voice, but it was on an artificial intelligence website, basically selling their voice online. So what does this mean for voiceover artists? It's completely bizarre, said the voice artist in an interview with the Washington Post. You can see your voice has been shifted and tampered with and then put online. There is something really invasive about that. And apparently this article is not unique to the one voiceover artist featured there. There are tons of people who are noticing their voices being recreated with eerie precision online. And let's not even go into the deep fakes and the fact that Joe Biden and Donald Trump are playing Minecraft online thanks to these new technologies. So it definitely puts voice actors, as the Washington Post put it, often nameless professionals who narrate audiobooks, video games, and commercials. We know that we love them, but it puts them in a particularly precarious position, says the Washington Post. While their voices are often known, they rarely command that star power necessary to wield control of their voice. So it offers little refuge since copyright provisions haven't grappled with AI's ability to recreate human-like speech, text, and photos. Experts say that contracts more frequently contain fine print provisions allowing a company to use an actor's voice in endless permutations, even selling it on to other parties. So, don't want to leave on a downer, but what does that mean for you? If your voice is your industry, whether you're on the air, whether you're a voiceover artist, if you're using your voice and it's one of your unique assets, how do you feel about that? Let me know in the comments down below how this is going to affect your future. And that is your latest audio content creator news.